To export one of your mailing lists, we first off need to navigate to the desired list. Then click on it to view the list contacts. From the Actions menu, top left, we can see we've got the Export option. If we now click on it, we can specify what we'd like to export. If you leave all the settings the same, the whole list will be exported. But perhaps you just want to export a list of your unsubscribes. To do so, deselect the sections which you don't want to export. So we can see here just unsubscribes are selected. When you're ready to run the export, click on Export List. OK, the software is saying that our list has been generated and is ready to download. Simply click on Download List to download your file. You can also export selected contacts. For example, if we just wanted to export, say, the first 3 people from this list, just select the contacts in question, and you will notice that the Actions menu is now lit up. Select Export. We can see that selected rows has been automatically ticked. If we now click on Export List, just these 3 contacts that we've highlighted will be exported as our CSV file.